So how to transfer video or photos to Insta 360 to your Android or iPhone? Open the Insta 360 and at the same time turn on your Insta 360 as well. Make sure your Bluetooth is enabled, and then you have to connect your device to your mobile and connect on low battery, no better. Then you can access your all video from here. You can access your photo, you can access your standard video, all. Suppose you want to export this video, then you have to select this video, and from here you can also edit it. uh, Insta 360 give you a lot of option: volume, motion, speed, and uh, color plus. You can adjust the color. After that you can see the export option. You have to press on export, and then you can customize it. Suppose like you can, if you want to export it as 4K with a 30 frame rate, and if you already record the video with a 60 frame rate, you can export it as 60. Suppose I want to export it as a 180 pixel, then press on export, and it's exporting. Wait a couple of seconds to complete the whole process. So done. Open your device album, then you can see the video. And if you want to bulk export with quickly, then you have to turn off the device, then you have to discard your memory, and then you have to use this kind of converter. Suppose insert it, then just put it in your phone, and then you can access your uh, a video or a file from your mobile device also. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.